Hello guys, welcome back to another colorful and fun video. Today we are going to do something amazing. We are drawing a full beautiful scenery. But wait, there is a twist. No pencil, no crayons, no paints. Only sketch pens. Yes, we are going to turn something simple sketch pens into magic wands. Yes, so get ready to make bright sun, green trees, blue sky, and maybe a rainbow too if your pen feels extra happy. Let's start cute quickly before my sketch pens run away to draw their own scenery. And guys, here we have a little cute, funny, magical story for you guys while we draw, okay? In a small art class, there was a box full of sketch pens, but they were very upset because everyone only used pencils and ignored them. One day, the red pen said, "Why can't we draw something big and beautiful?" And the blue pen jumped and said, "Yes, of course, we can." They started drawing on paper by themselves: sun, mountains, river, flowers. When the artist came back, he was shocked and said, "Whoa, this is the most colorful scenery ever." From that day, sketch pens were never ignored again. And today we are going to create that same magical scenery together. And tada! Look at your scenery, guys. So bright, so colorful, even the sun is smiling at your drawing. Give yourself a big clap. Yes, and tell me honestly, did your sketchpen behave or did they try to run away like mine? If you enjoyed this fun drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative and crazy art videos. Comment below which color was your favorite today. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep spreading colors everywhere, just like scenery. Yes, take care. Love yourself. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.